Boys and girls, the first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. The first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. The first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. The first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. The first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. The first thing you see in the morning must be a smiling face. Are we together, boys and girls? Very good. We are back to continue our lessons. I hope you've enjoyed the previous lessons. You've been doing sounding, and the last time I came your way, we practiced how to blend. Isn't that so? We practice how to blend. What do we blend? The sounds you learn. And now that you have learned almost 6 sounds, meaning you are all prepared to blend to form words. Are you prepared to form words? Very good. Because if you have all the sounds, if you master all the sounds, and you cannot put the sounds together to form words, you will still not be able to read. So for you to be able to read, it's very important you master your sounds, then you put those sounds together, you run them, say the words, then you will be able to read fluently, you will be able to read independently. So now, I'm going to flash the letter sounds that you've gone through, just for you to have an overview or to remind you. Are we together? Let's look at this one. I'm going to flash it. Yes? Very good. Let's say it together. Well done. Another one. Good. E. Again. E. Very good. This one. Good. S. Once again. S. Well done. This one. Very good. Ah. Let's say it together. Ah. This one. Good. Let's say it together. Very good. The last one. Yes? Very good. T. Again. T. Very good. So these are the 6 sounds you've been learning. And now that you are comfortable with all these 6 sounds, that is why our last session, I told you a secret. Who can remember the secret? The secret is a little blending every day is a secret to success. So how many of you have applied that? Very good. Have you seen the secret there? Well done. We practice blending. And then let's remember, the process was you put the sounds together, you look at the sound, letter sound, say the sounds, run them together, and say the word. But now for those of you who are listening carefully, when we are blending, we should go from left to right. In blending, we move from left to right. So whether you are a left-handed student or a right-handed, when you are blending to form words, you move from the left to the right. Are we together, class? Very good. Today, we are blending to form words using the 6 letter sounds you've learned. Are you ready, class? Very good. Okay? Now let's start the process. What sound is this? A, t, a, t, a, t, a, t, at. Let's say it together. At. Again, at. Very good. Let's write it down. What is this, class? At. So now we have one word from the sounds you've learned. And what is that word, class? Very good. At. Let's say it together. At. Again. At. Well done. What do we have on this card, class? Good. At. Now let's move to blend another word. What sound is this, class? Very good. Ah. Again, ah. This one. Very good. Again. Now, let's move on to our second word. Let's go. Ah. 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 An. Again, an. Again, an. Very good. Let's write it down. What do you have on the class, on the board, class? An. Very good. Now, I told you when blending, you move from the left to the right. Now, which sound is on the left? Very good, the A sound. So now the A is moving. Which one is on the right? Very good. The N sound is on the right. So which one is moving? Very good. The A sound is moving from the left to meet the N sound at the right. When you reach, what do you have? An. Very good, class. So let us remember, always from the left to the right. Are we together, class? Very good. What is this, class? Very good. An. Again, an. Very good. Let's have it here. How many words do we have, class? Very good. 2 words. All from the sounds you've learned. Let's move on. Class, what sound is this? Good. E. What sound is this? Very good. Is back again. Class, which sound is on the left? Very good. E. How about Good, on the right. Now tell me, which sound should move? Very good. The E sound. Why? Oh, well done. It's on the left. Is it moving towards the left, right? Very good. It is moving towards the right. To meet who? To meet Now let's try it. Let's go. E. 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 In. Very brilliant students. Let's say it together. In. Again. In. Good. What next? Let's write it on the board. Is that okay? Very good. Let's look at this one. Group 1. What is this? Very good. In. The whole class? In. Good. How many words do we have, class? Very good. We have 3 words. All from the 6 sounds you've learned. Is that okay? Now, we are now keeping these words at a place called a bank. In a bank, we do keep our monies there. Not so? Very good. But in this bank, we are going to keep our words in this bank. That is why it is called word bank. Any little money you get, you go and save it at the bank. Any word we get, we will save it at the bank. So at the end of the day, we'll have a lot of words in our bank, just like rich people will have a lot of money in their bank accounts. Are we together, class? Very good. Now, let's continue. What sound is this? Very good. E. This one? Very good. T. Do you remember how to do it? Good. Which one is moving now? No. It's the one on the right. Very good. So you know what you are doing. It's the one from the left that is moving. What is that sound? Very good. E. Then let's go. E. T. E. T. E. T. E. T. It. Let's say together. It. Again. It. Very, very good. Let's write it on the board. What is this, class? It. So we have another one, another word that we should take to our, very good, to our bank. To our bank. And what is that word? Very good. It. 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 Good. Very good. We have added another word to our bank. Now, can we go to our bank and see what we have there? In our word bank. How many words do we have now? Very good. We have 4 words. Can we say these words together? Yes? At. Let's say it again. At. Very good. The next one. Very good. An. Let's say together. An. Again. An. The next one. Very good. Together. In. Again. In. The other one. Very good. It. Together. It. Very good, boys and girls. Very good, boys and girls. Now, can you all stand up? Very good. I want to keep you watching. I want to keep you moving. So let's sing one of the songs, the song to one of the sounds we've learned among the 6. whichever one you like. Very good. The I sound. Let's go on. 2, 3. Inky the mouse, I. Inky the mouse, I. Inky the mouse, I. When it starts to run, I. Oh, you people can sing. Let's sing it together again. Inky the mouse, I. Inky the mouse, I. Inky the mouse, I. When it starts to run, I. Very good. Let's continue to have more words in our bank. Do you remember having this class? Very good. What is it? Good. At. Again, at. Good. You remember you were told that this sound is very important. We will still not tell you why it is important, but let's move on. It is an open secret. So what do we have? Good. Class, look on the board. What sound is this? Very good. Let's say it together. S. How about this one? Good. At. Can we remember how to do it? Good. Here you have at on the right. Good. And you have? Very good. S on the left. Now, at on the right. S on the left. Can you tell me? Who is going to meet who? Good. S is going to meet at. So meaning S is going to the left. To the? No. To the right. I know you must have been a left-handed, that's why you told me left. Good. S is in the left, is going to the right to meet the at. Let's try. S, at, s, at, s, at, s, at, sat. Class. How are you able to do this? A big clap. Another one. And a bigger clap. Very good. Let's say this word together. Sat. Again, sat. Again, sat. Oh. What next? We are going to write it on the blackboard. Very good, class. What is this? Sat. How about this one? Sat. Again, sat. Now, should we throw it? Very good. Where do we take it? To our bank. To our word bank. We are getting more words into the bank. Well, let's see what happened again. What is this class? At. It's still there. Maybe it's time to bring us another word. What sound is this, class? Together. P. Again. P. On the right. At. Again. At. On the left. P. Who is moving? P. Very good. Let's go. P. At. P. At. P. At. P. At. P. At. Pat. Say it again. Pat. Together. Pat. Very good. Let's have it on the board. What is this, class? Very good. Pat. Class? Very good. Pat. All together? Pat. Let's take it to our bank. Let's take it to our bank. Class, what is this? What is this? Ah. Did we have this word? Now don't tell me the sound. Give me this word because we have it in our bank. Can't you remember? Very good. What is this word, class? An. Good. The word, the sound on the left is P. And the one on the right is An. So let's move. P. An. P. An. P. An. P. An. Pan. Say it again. Pan. Again. Pan. Very good. I'm writing on the board. Can you still remember how to form these letters, these sounds? Good. I know. I can even hear it from the background. Good. Class, together, pan. Again, pan. Together, pan. Yes, pan. Good. To the bank. To the bank. To the bank. Class, look at the blackboard. What do we have on the blackboard? Very good. An. Say it again. An. An is changing position there. Let's look at it. What do we have here, class? Very good. An. How about this one? T. Good. Now, which one is on the left? Very good. An is now on the left. Going to meet? Very good. Going to meet to the right. Let's go. An, t, an, t, an, t, an, t, an, t, and. Wow. Say it again. Very good. And. Say it again. And. The next time you are going to write it, because now I'm the one who is writing on the board. I'm going to write what I want to hear it from you. How to write the word and. Good. Very good, students. What do we have? Very good. And. Again, and. Is it this? Good. Together, and. Together, and. To the bank. To the bank. Are we together? Very good. Let's see whether we can still blend more words from these 6 sounds you've been learning. Is it possible? Very good. Let's move on. Okay, class? What do we have on the left? Very good. A. On the right? P. Very good. Now let's move. A. P. A. P. A. P. A. P. Up. Let's say together. Up. Again. Up. Very good. Up is not yet ready to go to the bank. Let's see what happens. Now what do we have? Up. Very good. Class, what sound is this? Good. Let's say it together. T. Again. T. Again. T. Now, we still have left and right. Good. What is on the left? Good. T. On the right? Up. Let's go. T. Up. T. Up. T. Up. T. Up. T. Up. Tap. Say it again. Tap. Do you know a tap? Very good. So tap is a very good word, and now we can take the tap to the bank. Which bank? To the World Bank. Very good. To the World Bank. To the World Bank. But before that, I want to hear how to write tap on the board. This time I want to hear it from this group. Can I start? Good. Well done. Tap. Well done. Tap. Class, can we say this? Let's say it. Tap. Again, tap. Very, very, very good. Now, should I take this to the bank? Yes, it should go to the bank. But now, before we continue to blend more words, let's try to see what we have. Let us read what we've blended. Are we together? This word is very good. Let's say it together. At. The next one, an. The next one, in. The next one, it. Yes? Sat. The next one, pat. The other one, pan. Another one, ant. This one, tap. Very good, boys. Very good, boys. Stand up once again. Stand up once again. I still want you to be more excited, more happy. I want you to be happy. I want you to be happier. Is that okay? Listen to me. I'm looking for my family with all the words we have. We have few families there. Let's try to remember those families. I'm looking for my family. My family. 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 It's my family. My family. It's my family. My family. I'm looking for my family. My family. I'm looking for my family. My family. It is my family. My family. My family. It is my family. My family. We have other families, but the family we have here, more common, is the A family and then the I family. Still now, remember, we said this one is important, but this one is very important. Still now. Then we are going to continue to bring more words. Class, do you remember this? What is it? Good. In. Again, in. Let's see what happened with in this time. On the left, p. On the right, in. On the left, p. Let's go. P. In. P. In. P. In. P. In. P. In. Pin. Say it again. Pin. All together. Pin. Good. Let's have it on the board. Let's read it. Good. Pin. Together. Pin. Pin. To the World Bank. What is this? In. In is still there. Let's see whether it will change position or not. Yes, class? What sound is this? Good. Let's say it together. T. This one, in. In and t. Which one is on the left? Very good. T is on the left. So now t will be moving. Let's go. T. In. T. In. T. In. T. In. T. In. Tin. Ah. Again. Tin. Again, 10. Very good. A big flick. Another one. Let's pause it there. Let's write 10 on the board. Do we have it on the card as well? Very good. What is it? 10. Again, 10. To the bank. To the bank. To the bank. Let's have more words. Class, let's read this word. Let's read this. Very good. Let's say together, it. Again, it. Again, it. What sound is this? Good. P. Now, which sound is on the left, class? Good. The P sound. So now then, P is moving. Let's move. P. It. P. It. P. It. P. It. P. It. P. It. Pit. What do you have? Pit. Good. Pit. 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 Let pick also go to the bank. Let's pit also go to the bank. Okay. This one is back. Say this, class. Very good. It. Let's see why it is back. The sound on the left is S. The one on the right is it. Who is moving? S. Let's go. S. It. S. It. S. It. S. It. Sit. All together. Sit. Again. Sit. 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 Well done. We have another word on the flashcard, and what is it? Sit. Again, sit. To the bank. Very good. To the bank. So now we all know, if you say bank, it's not about money. In the classroom, what we have is the word bank. We save or we keep our words there. Any word we blend, let's keep it there. Let us not throw it away, so that at the end of the day, we can be very good readers. Are we together? Very good. Now let's see what next we can get from the 6 sounds you've learned. Class, the very important one is back again. And what is it? Very good, the A sound. The A sound. Can we say left and right? A is on the left and P is on the right. Then A is going. Together, A, P, A, P, A, P, A, P, A, P, up. Say it again, up. Again, up. Let's leave it there. What sound is this? Good. Is on the left. What is on the right? Up. Good. Then is going. Up. 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 Nap. Can I hear from you? Very good. Nap. Again, nap. 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 What is on this card, class? Very good. Nap. Nap. We take it to the bank. We take it to the bank. Let's see what comes out again. This one is back. What is it? Very good. Up. Say it again. Up. What is on the left? Very good. Again. On the right, up. On the left, who is moving? Very good. Is moving. Then let's move together with up, 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 sap. Say it again. Sap. Again, sap. Very good, class. You are reading how to form and I'm writing. Remember, I will also read and you will write. So follow the steps. Good. So we have sap. On the card, sap. Again, sap. Very good. Where? To the bank. To the bank. We have sap.